Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Aviator. The Lincoln Aviator is the luxury division's mid-size sport utility vehicle. Based on the Ford Explorer, the Aviator combines a rugged, truck-based platform with a smooth luxury car ride. Properly equipped, Aviator can tow up to 7,300 pounds, significantly more than most imported SUVs in its size class. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.